Hello everyone, this is dinner for tonight. Domino's pizza. This is sausage and pepperoni. This is very, very good stuff. This is our first time ordering a long time. We haven't ordered from here in a long time, so this is what it looks like. Very, very yummy. Mom already got her pizza, and Dad has his own pizza. Dad has like a deep dish Domino's pizza, or I think that's what it is. This one's mine. See. This is pizza. So this is for dinner tonight. Very, very yummy. See? Yummy, yummy. And here's the dessert. Those volcano chocolates. See? Very, very good. Yummy, yummy. And that's Dad's. This is my dad's pizza. I won't open it. See? Very, very good. See? I mean, that's the pizza for Dad. And here's the volcano chocolates. And here's the garlic breads, like breadsticks. Very, very yummy. So that's dinner tonight, guys. And to emie, Australia, have a beautiful morning. I hope you're doing well. I hope you have a nice breakfast morning. You just be careful, be safe. I do hope you had a nice, healthy day off. See, that's what they look like. Very, very yummy. I hope you had a nice day off. Have a good breakfast morning. Enjoy your warm rice. Enjoy your fish, chicken, or shrimp, or vegetables. And then you be careful. Miss you very much. Mom and Dad wish you a good morning. And that's everything, guys. That's everything. So let me close this up. Yeah, that's everything, guys. That's all the dinner. And that's everything. Yeah, so that's dinner tonight. And to my friends and family, and to all my Filipino friends, have a nice evening and night. For some of you, have a good morning. Today was a very beautiful day. Most of the day was just helping Mom and Dad around the house, did the dishes, things like that. So that's dinner. And I hope everybody has a great Saturday. Enjoy your weekend. Golden State Warriors lost game one last night. We just didn't come through. We played very bad basketball last night. And we had a big lead. We should have won that. Boston did not win that game. We just choked it away. We pretty much gave that win to Boston. Hopefully we'll close. Hopefully we'll even it up on Sunday night. So go Golden State Warriors. Hopefully you'll win game two and tie it up one apiece going back to Boston. So that's dinner, guys, and I hope everybody has a nice summer. And to everyone, I hope you're doing well. Yeah, and this is my dad's pizza. See, that's Dad's pizza. Sausage and pepperoni too, but this is like a deep dish. It's like a deep dish pizza. So that's my dad's, and Mom already got hers. So that's everything, guys. So take care always, and be careful, be safe. Have a good summer. I hope the pandemic, wherever you're at, hopefully you're allowed to enjoy outside while wearing it on your face. Hopefully that certain areas or certain outside, inside the world, hopefully the COVID has gone away wherever you're at. Hopefully it's doing much better. Hopefully you're allowed to travel. So be careful, but still be careful because people are still, still testing, positive out there. Just be careful, everyone. Be careful. And do not believe the news in the United States. Whatever they're telling you about the numbers and this and that, not true. So I don't know what is going on in our country. It's just a big mess. It's just getting worse every day. But be careful, everyone. Be safe. Go with your judgment and go with your common sense. Use your judgment. If you feel something's wrong, use your judgment. Go with your instinct. Don't believe the news coming out of the United States. Do not believe anything in the U.S. right now because they're way off lately. But take care, everyone. And to emie, miss you very much. I want to show you one more thing. I forgot to show you. And this is what I'm having to drink. I forgot to show you. A nice cold Sprite. So very, very yummy. See? See the nice cold Sprite? So that's a nice cold Sprite. See? That's a nice cold Sprite. So that's everything, guys. Take care always. Be safe. Be careful in today's world. Always be careful, guys. And do miss all of you. Have a great Saturday. Enjoy your summer. To Emmy with a big heart, do miss you very much. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.